Meet Rahul Gandhi and then Akhilesh Prasad Singh rages. Bihar Congress has removed Akhilesh Prasad Singh from the post of state president, after which he met Rahul Gandhi at 10 Janpath. After meeting Rahul Gandhi, Akhilesh Prasad Singh said that he is happy with the party's decision and has come to thank Rahul Gandhi for this. However, when a question was asked by journalists, he responded to this. On behalf of reporters, Akhilesh Prasad Singh was asked whether he would remain in the party after being removed from the post, in response to which he provoked that you are the crazy. Will the Jan Swaraj Party go into the alliance in the 2025 elections? Manoj Bharti, state president of Jan Swaraj, who reached Bhabua in Kaimur district. In response to a question, he said that we are going to contest to Bihar Assembly 2025 election in 2/4 seats. Our party will not form an alliance with any party. If our seats come down, then we will work to sit in opposition and not to do manipulation to form the government. If you do not go into history, good. SP MP Jiharuman Bark has described Syed Salar Masood Ghazi as Sufi Sant amidst controversy over the Nijab fair in Uttar Pradesh. Akhilesh Yadav, while stopping the Nijab fair in Sambhal and respond to the statements of the SPMP, said that it is good if you do not go into history. The government is like it is being the issue of polarization are being raised to cover up the real issues. BJP shocks in Bihar. On March 8, a list of 26-member district officials of BJP was released in Nevada. After this, now many people have expressed their displeasure over their post. Those who resigned from the post include Gaurav Sandil, Nandikishore Chaurasia, Pramod Chandravanshi and Annapurna Kapoor. According to the new list, Gaurav Sandil was given the responsibility of district spokesperson. Nandikishore Chaurasia was made media in charge. Pramod Chandravanshi was made the district vice president, while a woman Annapurna Kapoor was given the post of minister. Disgruntled activists resigned from their post. RJD MLA was taking question after seeing mobiles in the house. Nitish Kumar raging. Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar was agitated after seeing mobiles in the house. During the budget session, RJD MLA Suday Yadav was reading question after seeing the mobile. During this, Nitish Kumar raised objection to checking mobile in the house. Nitish Kumar of the opposition MLA firstly put a class. Nitish Kumar stood up and said, one thing we say that these people is talking with mobiles. Everything was banned, all was stopped and everyone is speaking with mobiles. This is something. He said to the speaker, you do not do this, not with any mobile ban. From Grab or Jet, RJD MP Manoj Kumar Jha said that if there will be any riots in the country and if there is investigated, then these people will be seen. You are not digging the grave of Aurangzeb. You are trying to dig the grave of this country. Your mood will not hide your failures by going to the still pages of the history of the ocean character. In the Nagpur violence incident, they have received a response after the FIR was registered against VHP and Bajrang Dal official. Akhilesh Yadav come in support of DMK. DMK MPs protest on the issue of delimitation in the Parliament House complex. Now this protest DMK MPs is intensifying. However, the BJP is making all the claims about this. But amidst all this political development, Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav has also come in support of DMK. On wearing a t-shirt written by the DMK leader in Parliament, SP Chief Akhilesh Yadav said, I am with the people of Tamil Nadu because the BJP does not know how to delimit. How do these people contest assembly election? How do they contest on the basis of caste? This is the first time Akhilesh Yadav has openly supported the DMK on the issue of delimitation. BJP MP Ravi Kishan's big statements on Pawan Singh. Talking to ABP Live, Ravi Kishan has answered the question related to Pawan Singh's election. Ravi Kishan said Pawan has his own your mind. You have your life and you can do your mind. We never advised anyone. He has a small child. He has not a small child. As an elder brother, I was standing for him earlier and still stands today. I am standing for everyone in Bhojpuri. I will call me whenever I need. I will find wherever they want. The whole industry knows this. CM Yogi said Akranta's glorification is treason. Nature fair has been banned in some district of Uttar Pradesh. At the same time, a ban is being demanded in some places in Bahrain in the state. The CM said that Maharaja Sukhdev's might and valor was that no foreign invader could be able to attack India for 150 years. He said that glorifying any invalidating means to strength and foundation of treason. Independent India cannot accept any traitor who insults the great men of India, glorifies those invaders who had done the work of trampling the Sanatan culture of India, had not accepted our fate today. Akhilesh Yadav was happy with the CM of Rajasthan. Akhilesh Yadav, the national president of Samajwadi Party and former chief minister of Uttar Pradesh, is very happy with the decision of the government of Rajasthan. Kannauj MP wrote, the Rajasthan government is now adopting the 1090 model dedicated to women's safety started in UP during the SP rule. It is expected that an effective and meaningful system of safety of women in Rajasthan will be prepared. He said that women have always been important as half a population in the PDA movement. That is why such protective steps were taken to communicate in every girl, woman and woman in the socialist government. Positive work become as inspiration for positive politics. This is the biggest achievement of SP's works dedicated to the society. SP's work name of Rajasthan. The Rajasthan government is now adopting the 1090 model dedicated to women's safety started in UP during the SP rule. Feeling himself cheated. Former Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot wrote on X about the purchase of crops that no effort is being left in harassing the farmers during the tenure of the BJP government. Ashok Gehlot has come to the market, but the process of government procurement on the minimum support price has not started yet. Wheat has not been harvested yet, but registration of procurement of wheat on MSP has been started. AAP leader RTC asked these 4 questions complete to 1 month. Leader of opposition RTC said women were promised to give 2510. AAP leader RTC asked these 4 questions. Leader of opposition RTC said women were promised to give 2500. It has not been completed yet. The Prime Minister has said that it will pass in the first cabinet and many will come on March 8, but it did not happen. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's guarantee proved to be false. The registration did not start. A tingling of the 4 ministers committee was found. There is a way to put anything in cold storage. RTC said that I want to ask 4 questions to BJP's Delhi government. Will the BJP's Delhi government give 2500 to 48 lakh women over 80 years or will impose such conditions that even a percentage of women will not get the benefits? It has been 12 days for the committee. You get time to abuse AAP and Kejriwal, but you did not take any decision for women. What is your committee doing? 2500 per month registration will start from which date? On which date will 2500 come to women's account? RSS bid Aurangzeb's relevance not. The RSS bid Aurangzeb's relevance not. The Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh gave the first response to the Aurangzeb dispute. RSS prominent head Sunil Ambedkar said that Aurangzeb has no relevance today. Along with this, he said that violence is not good for the society. Maharashtra opposition party Shiv Sena and NCP welcome the RSS statements. Udhav faction MP Arvind and Sharad Pawar faction MLA Jitendra Arwad said that late, but RSS statements is correct. We welcome it. Playing Rajasthan advised the Minister of CM Devendra Fadnavis. Maharashtra CM Minister Devendra Fadnavis has advised his cabinet colleagues to maintain harmony in the society. He said that ministers should take restraint in their statements so that there is no malice in the society. CM Fadnavis, reminding former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee's learning of Rajasthan, called upon the minister to rise above their personal opinion and likes and dislike to be loyal to the constitution. Fadnavis said we should understand our responsibility as a minister. We have taken the oath of the constitution and the constitution has put the responsibility on us not to do injustice to any person. Ministers should be restrained while speaking and keep in mind that their words do not create disharmony anywhere in the society. Many times the young minister do some such things. I talk to them on such occasion and tell them that you are minister and you need to be restrained. Congress leader will give DNA test in Rajasthan. The Congress party will test the loyalty of its leader and workers in Rajasthan. Under this experiment, the Congress will carry forward loyal Congress workers. This experiment of Congress in Rajasthan will be like DNA laboratory. Through this, their loyalty to party leaders and workers will be tested and the Congress party will show the way to the leaders and workers who fail in this test. Successful leaders will be entitled to get better position as activities. The Rajasthan Congress is going to do the DNA test of its leaders soon. It has been announced by the party in charge of the party, Sukhvinder Singh Randhawa, after which there is an atmosphere of panic among the Congress leaders.